When navigating your academic success at Winthrop University, it is important to know how to calculate your GPA. The Office of Financial Aid has developed an Excel spreadsheet that you can use to calculate your GPA. You can use this tool to calculate your Life GPA and your anticipated semester GPA. So when we open up the Excel spreadsheet, you will see the anticipated grade rows and columns are highlighted in yellow. Now for the demonstration of this video, I have already entered the course and the earned hours and corresponding anticipated grades. You can simply change this just by typing in any given cell. Now, as you calculate your GPA, you will notice in the bottom right, this cell demonstrates your current cumulative GPA based on these anticipated grades. For the fall 2020 semester, remember a D, D-, or D+, you do earn the credit, but you do not earn the grade. You would earn a CR. There is no impact on your GPA. However, for the purpose of this calculator, it's important to note that a CR comes in as 0 quality points, which essentially is calculating as though you failed the class, which you don't want. So you will need to delete both the earned hours and the credit and the grade to demonstrate you are still earning credit in the class. So I would leave the class and then reflect that this does not impact my GPA. You will see this reflected in the cumulative GPA. The same is true if you hope to SU a course. Let's imagine that you've decided to SU Math 150. You would need to delete this information so that there is no impact on your GPA. You will see the GPA increases to a 2.971. Now, you can continue to anticipate any additional changes in your grades. Let's imagine you hope to bring up your Biology 150 grade from a B to a B+. Again, you can anticipate that grade change, and this is reflected in the GPA. If you have brought in hours to calculate into the Life Scholarship GPA, or if you're an upperclassman and you already have GPA hours and quality points, you would enter that information up here. So the GPA hours would go into the green area and the quality points into quality points. This would calculate your current GPA, which would then reflect into the anticipated grades your current cumulative GPA in the bottom right. Now, where do you find your Life GPA information? This information can be found on Wingspan. You will see under Student Tools, Life Honors GPA. When you click on this link, it will navigate you to an all-college total. So for this example, this student took a 3-hour course at USC Sumter and earned a B for 9 quality points and a GPA of 3.0. The Winthrop undergraduate total is 60 earned hours with these quality points reflected, but the all-college total is 63 with the additional 9 quality points resulting in a slightly higher Life GPA. Your all-college total is your Life GPA. If you're an upperclassman, you will navigate to your academic transcript and again, find your GPA hours and quality points to enter in when calculating your GPA. When using this calculator, it is important to note both your current semester GPA and your anticipated GPA. We hope this information is helpful as you navigate your academic success.